Hi, my name is Zhang Tianrun. Today, I'd like to introduce the knowledge about radar and the antenna systems. Everybody knows that radar is a detection system to determine objects. So, firstly, I will introduce the working principles of radars. Saying simply, the antenna transmitter releases electromagnetic waves and receives the reflected waves. There are several noticeable physical principles about the EM waves which support this technique. Electromagnetic energy travels at a constant speed in a straight line. This feature allows the direction and the distance between the radar and the reflecting objects easily to be determined. Otherwise, I'd like to revise a common misconception. Somebody thinks that radar and sonar are the same technology. Yeah, they truly use the same principle, sending and receiving waves. However, the sonar releases sound waves, but radars use EM waves. That's because water is a good medium for sound wave, but it's bad for EM waves. Secondly, I will talk about the development of radar. In the last 2 centuries, several scientists have contributed to the invention of radars. As you can see on this timeline, in 1884, Maxwell firstly demonstrated the features of EM waves. In the next 20 years, Marconi and Tesla did the further researches on the EM waves. 1904, Hassmeyer did the first radar test. 30 years later, Bultmann built the first radar system. From 1935, based on the Western Wave serial, many countries started to do the military test of radars. And then, 1939, the World Second War becomes a key point for the rapid development and wide applications of modern radar systems. Lastly, let me introduce the applications of radar nowadays. Radar is the cornerstone of parking sensor, which avoid innumerable traffic accidents every year. Multi-static radar systems helps planes to land efficiently. Geologists use geophysical imaging radar to monitor the ice thickness of Antarctic and the lava lakes. They also use synthetic aperture radar to draw 2D or 3D landform. Another types of radars also play important roles in all aspects of our life. That's all. Thank you for listening.